Hello everyone. Let's first take a look at two interesting AI parody clips. You've probably come across popular videos on YouTube that use AI to create funny Squid Game clips. Aren't they entertaining? If I told you that you could make these parody videos with just one free AI tool and earn a significant income on YouTube, you'd be even more excited. Yes, you heard it right. With just one AI tool, you can achieve AI parody. No third-party editing tools needed. No time wasted. With the magical LumeFlow AI, you can complete all steps of AI parody and editing. Just take a look at this channel. By posting 1-minute parody videos of Squid Game, they can earn up to $14,000 a month. Let me show you how to create a Squid Game parody video for free using AI. Let's start by clicking the LumeFlow AI link in the comments below. On the LumeFlow AI homepage, you'll find a ton of fun, completely free features to explore. For example, there's Video Remix, which lets you use AI to remix and parody popular IP videos. There's also an image-to-video feature, but today we're focusing on Video Remix. Click on Video Remix, and you'll see a variety of AI parody inspiration videos on the right side. You can reference these videos for your own creations. Alright, let's officially get started. Click Upload your video, and you'll notice on the right side that you can choose from LumeFlow AI's built-in templates to remix or parody your video. It's incredibly convenient. The effects of these templates are already displayed here. You can select based on your needs. Of course, the best part is that you can customize the parody instructions. Let me show you an example using a segment. You can upload a long video, and the amazing thing is that LumeFlow AI allows you to choose any frame from that long video for remixing, like this. Then, I input the remix instructions I want in the function area and select the model. Wow! Here we have the powerful VEO3 model, along with LumeFlow AI's own developed model, as well as Pixverse AI and Vidu AI. Let me demonstrate LumeFlow AI's own model, and then let me input the prompt. Let's click Generate and wait. Wow, this effect is so much fun and interesting. It's really convenient. I can choose to present the visuals in various effects. Click the link in the comments below to download LumeFlow AI and start your AI remix journey. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.